Hey, Miss Sierra, good morning. How you doing, love? That's good.
I can't even see you.
You can't see me? Let me get some of that light out your face.
That melanin, that's all I knew. How you doing,
I'm good, baby.
Unlock it and pop. You, look, this is the truck. My schooled me on how to basically die outright. Nobody can ever buy this truck from me because they can never pay.
It's not for sale, is what you're saying?
It's not for sale.
Okay.
But I got my light on in the phone. Hold on. If I can
Your battery not that old?
born, but it don't matter.
You were born in 85?
I'm born in 85.
Okay.
But this is an 87, and this mud souped up when it starts. When it run right, and he cut off a little bit, just jumbo.
It's dead, dead.
We gonna charge him. I'm not get loud, but my people already know I'm loud.
Yeah, that's
And I got
dead.
for a little while, and then I'm gonna go back in here and start him up. And he got this little red tag only because I didn't.
Oh, baby, hold on.
I know. I'm gonna wait.
No, you see back here, look.
It's smoky.
Yeah, the wire, you see right there?
What the hell is that?
Yeah.
Nah, it was fine.
No, that's what's killing your battery. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's what I know. Unplug it. It ain't the battery, it's something. Yeah, they could fix it.
Yeah.
Take it. That's all. That's what I really. Now they could tow it to the tire discount without changing the battery for that. And honestly, that wasn't like that because this mother was running.
Really?
Yes. Something must have ate the wire. And that's fine. It needs work. I need it somewhere else. I'm going to take it to tire discount. You got your money, so you good. I know it ain't the damn battery.
Yeah,
it
ain't
is
the
What do you? No, let's say what.
The battery said 24.
That's still good. It's all, yeah. So it's